It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
CPI obviously in China, negative 0.8% year over year. PPI, negative 2.5%. And to me, what's interesting about China, and people, that are new to us or come to us, like, are trying to understand the quads, and quads aren't always perfect, but China is a perfect example of quad 4 playing out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Growth slowing when inflation slows, and you can see what's happening in the stock market. That's like a fundamental case study of.
Yeah, it's good. Look, guys, if you can show just a review, like people really like it when I didn't realize until I asked again the other day. I'm like, how many people get these models updated every day? And it's like only when you show it. Okay, so let's show it again. Slide 36. Okay, so this, once it updates for today, Jonesy, you know this because you run the models with the team and you're fully integrated with the Drago and the Drake. These guys working their butts off for the team and for Hedgeye Nation. This number right here is going to tick back from 3 back to 4. It's just like a knife's edge right now. The difference between 3 and 4, because both are slowing, is that inflation starts to slow at a faster rate.
Yep.
So when this gets updated, this thing's going to be red in a day or two. But we already know it's red. We front run our own models, right? I can front run Drago. Drago can spend, I don't know how long he's going to spend on China today, probably a lot of time. But I know that that's going to go red. Because when you have growth and inflation slowing at the same time, and by the way, this is what I meant, going from 5.5% growth to 3, China's never reported a 3% growth rate, or a 4.
Then,
so it's the lowest level of Chinese growth.
And then on the inflation side, obviously the positive
Yep.
is going to go negative.
So this number, headline inflation, went from in the fourth quarter minus our we had it because the base effect is easing. That means that Chinese inflation should have started to reflate. That's how bad things are in China. That's why our commodity shorts are working out great, right? So if you're one of these people that doesn't like how the U.S., the uniquely American Moab trades, which we're pretty good at, trade commodities. They go straight down on this China stuff. So this number, even though this comp was easy, went from we were assuming up a little bit to down a lot, right? So really think this through. If you can read this table coherently and know exactly, like, to me, this is like putting on my underwears, right? I got underwears. You don't want to see them. But we put on the underwears before we go to work. This is already done. I don't have to do anything other than explain that to you. But when I make decisions, Jonesy, it's already, the underwears are on.
Yep.
I am in the office fully clothed.
The underwears are on.
Yes, the underwears.